Mr. Deputy Chairman, I understand the difficulty of the Honorable Law Minister in sponsoring a motion of this kind because actually it relates to certain subjects which are not in his charge. Yet I do not think how he can get away from it. That is my difficulty because after all he has come here with an amending bill and he has asked us to invest the government with certain powers which according to the High Court of Calcutta the government does not possess, namely the power of the government to act as the buyer and compel the seller to sell to the government under the provisions of this measure. Therefore, naturally, the question arises as to how the government will function as a buyer, as a personality who buys in the market. The behavior of the government as a buyer in the food market is in question today, and that is a subject matter of discussion. I am therefore entitled to know as to how you will function because it is not merely a question of food for the people but also a question of public funds that will be placed at your disposal to buy. I would also be interested in finding out at what price you are buying and whether you are buying sufficiently. These are some of the issues for me to discuss in connection with this measure. I am not going to enter into the other aspects of the food situation. Now, sir, the judgment of the Calcutta High Court has been referred to. Yesterday, we read it in the press that the High Court has finally given its judgment. This bill empowers the government of West Bengal to buy. Now I will cite how this thing arose. On the 28th August last, the government of West Bengal carried out certain raids on certain rice mills in Calcutta in and around Calcutta, about 40 of them, and they secured about 20,000 tons of rice. Naturally, they wanted to buy under the Essential Commodities Act. Their action was questioned by the rice millers. Now, out of this, the whole controversy has arisen, and this bill also relates to that aspect of the matter. Now, the position seems to be like this. Here, I would not mind if the government have this power for the last 3 years or so. We have been crying horse over this matter, but our wise leaders of the government did not think it necessary until they had a crisis developing of such dimension that they could not escape. Not only that, they had to carry out certain raids in the Calcutta godowns. There again, they proceeded in a very halting manner. Everyone knows that in Calcutta there are much larger, much great.
चलो चेक करो बस. एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट को ज्वाइन कर देंगे. कहाँ पे आया था इसमें कहाँ लिखा है?
वापस सेकंड लास्ट लाइन में हाँ ये रहा.
एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट. एम्पावर्स लिखना सीखो.
कौन सा
एम्पावर्स वर्ड आया ना. एक आया था नाउ आई विल साइड. पर्सनैलिटी. बताओ कोई वर्ड नहीं समझ रहा.
इसे थर्ड लाइन में लिखा है आपने कुछ इस पे काटा हुआ है ना.
थर्ड लाइन में
हाँ
ये सब्जेक्ट मैटर.
सब्जेक्ट
इसको भी ज्वाइन करो. इट इज नॉट मेयरली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ.
इट इज नॉट
मेयरली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ. इसको क्या पढ़ोगे? फूड सिचुएशन. फूड सिचुएशन फ्रेज आया था इसमें. देखो कहाँ है ये. ज्वाइन करो उसको. कोई वर्चुअली नहीं होता.